Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Today we are having an unboxing of the Greecho Electric Hot Pot. I want to thank Greecho. They reached out to me and asked me to do a review of their new mini electric hot pot, and I really appreciate that. They sent me the item and asked me to do a review and a demonstration. I'm doing the unboxing now, which I will speed through a little quick so that we can get to the demonstration at the end. Greecho is a company that originated in the UK. They are an e-commerce company. You can go to their website to order. You can also order from them on Amazon. Now I'm showing you the pot here. It has little latches that holds the lid on, which is cool. It's meant, for traveling around, so it compacts nicely inside itself to travel with. The pot is non-stick. It is a 1.5 quart mini hot pot with a steamer. It has 4 temperature control on it on the front. Right there, I'm showing you. It is like a nice little, and it has the voltage there where you can change the voltage according to where you're at, whether you're in the United States or another country, so you can change the voltage very easily. Like I said before, it is non-stick. It is dishwashable safe, everything except the heating base itself, the element. You have a little rack here, which I'm showing you serves as a grill and as a lid. I'm just showing you with my hand how big it is. I apologize, it's going a little faster because I want to be able to get to the other parts. Now there's where you change the voltage. You just would slide that over to the voltage for whatever country that you're in. There's the little steaming rack. I'm going to show you how it compacts back into itself. And you have the little latches to hold the lid on. And you can put it right inside a little traveling bag. And so it's easy to carry around. Now this is good for kids in dorms, college students, people traveling maybe in a motel or a hotel and they want to cook something, or camping. Now there's just a picture of everything you get. Now here's my ingredients. We're going to start cooking. We're going to make some butter chicken thighs, garlic butter chicken thighs. And I have 6 boneless chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, with the excess fat trimmed off. And we're going to go ahead and start seasoning these up so we can get a grill on them. I'm going to be using the grill plate first, and we're going to get a nice sear on them for 5 minutes for each side, and then we'll progress from there. Now this is a 4-in-1 mobile hot pot, like I said, so it's the first hot pot to be recognized by the International Design Excellence Awards, which is really cool. And it's a nice little pot. It's small. It's, like I said, it's only about 1.5 quarts, but it's a hefty little machine. It actually heats up really fast. Now it's non-stick, but I am going to put a little bit of cooking oil on there, and I will link everything in my description of the video, as well as a link to the hot pot itself if you'd like to purchase it. You can purchase it on my link. You can also go to their website or on Amazon. Now I'm putting the chicken thighs on here, and I could fit 3 full-size chicken thighs on here. You hear that sizzle? I mean, it's a nice hot grill, so it's going to get a nice sear on there. And those handles are not hot. When the pot is hot, you're able to touch those handles freely without burning your hands at all. Let's go ahead and season up the other side. Now, Greecho has graciously told me that they will give one of these away to one of my viewers as a free giveaway, and it will be shipped to them at their cost. Now there's going to be instructions at the end of the video that tells you what you need to do, but I will tell you now that you need to like this video, you need to subscribe to What's Up with DJ Now, and you need to subscribe to Greecho 𝗖𝗛𝗃𝗧𝗘𝗥 YouTube channel. And you need to go into the comments and you need to make a comment on this video mentioning Greecho in your comment and why you would like to win this and what you would do with it if you won it. So those are the requirements. It is only available to people living in the continental US, United States. The contest will be open for 2 weeks from when the video is uploaded. After the 2 weeks, like I said, a winner will be chosen, and Greecho will arrange to have that product sent to you at no cost to you. So that's really cool. Thanks, Greecho, for doing that. That's really awesome. Like I said, the instructions will be at the end, but they'll also be linked in the description of the video, so you can always go there and read it also. Okay, now I did my first 3 chicken thighs, and now I'm doing my second 3. And again, this is non-stick, is dishwasher safe, but just don't wash or get the base wet, the heating element. I went ahead and, you know, I'm just going to hand wash it because I just hand wash stuff. I think it's easier and keeps stuff nicer. But now I'm removing the part on the bottom that I grilled in, and now I'm going to put the big pot on top. And then I'm going to make a juice, a gravy kind of a juice to simmer the chicken in the rest of the way. Adding a tiny bit more oil. I'm putting some diced onion so we can get that caramelized in there. More sizzling. This unit gets hot very fast, which is very impressive. It took less than a minute for it to get very hot. Okay, now I'm going to put a tablespoon of minced garlic and get that sauteing in there as well. Yeah, but please like and subscribe to my channel. Like the video and subscribe, and I appreciate that if you do. Okay, now this is optional, but I'm going to put a 1/3 cup of white cooking wine. It's optional, you don't have to do it, but it adds tons of flavor. It really makes good flavor in your chicken. And just bring that to a simmer and simmer that white wine down. And now I'm going to put 2 cups of chicken broth. I really could have done with just 1, but I put 2, but you can put just 1, would be fine. And then I'm going to put 5 tablespoons of butter and get that melted in. Okay, now that it's melted in, I'm going to go ahead and put my seared chicken thighs back inside. And like I said, I did 6 full-size chicken thighs, and all 6 fit in here just perfectly fine. You could use this pot for so many things. You could make soups, chili, you know, it's limitless what you could do. Cheese dip, fondue dip, all kinds of things. Okay, now I'm going to use my grill plate and turn it over and use it as the lid. And I'm going to let that come to a simmer and cook the chicken up the rest of the way and saturate into the juice. Now I'm just showing you a little look inside, how good of a simmer it comes to, so you can see. It smelled so good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get this plated up. Put a little bit of that juice on top. You can also put a little bit of cornstarch in there and thicken that sauce up if you'd like to thicken it a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of parsley on top. Tastes good, makes it look good. Now, anybody who knows you, who knows not knows you, anybody who knows me knows that I have Sammy, who is my buddy and my favorite best friend dog, my baby, and he's my quality control inspector. So he's going to be coming up to get his taste test. I hear him coming. But here's a look at the chicken up close, and it smells wonderful. It's so tender and good. And we're waiting for Sammy. He's going to come, and I hear him coming to get his taste test. He's in charge of quality control. So let's see if he approves. We'll see if he'll do a high five. Yeah, he did a high five. One more time. Approved. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of this for myself and give it a try. It was real tender. You didn't even really need the knife, but here's the close-up. Let's go ahead and have a bite. Okay, now here's the giveaway rules, and I want to thank you for watching my video. I want to thank Greecho, and you all have a great day. Thank you.